Question number 7 from the Math 1105 Test 1 review gives you the coordinates of two ordered pairs, and it asks you to find the distance between them. So basically this is another example of applying the distance formula. And again, that is a formula that you're going to be required to know from memory when you're taking Test 1. So let's go ahead and look at the problem. Come with me to the paper. Before you use the distance formula, sometimes it's a good idea to label what you've been given. Let's call the first point x sub 1, y sub 1, and let's label the second point as x sub 2, y sub 2. Now, recalling the distance formula from memory, the distance between 2 points can be written or can be found by using the formula the square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So here we go. It's just a matter now of putting x1 in the correct place, y1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So let's do that. Watch the arithmetic. Watch the placement. X sub 2 is negative 3 minus x sub 1 is a negative 2. This is squared. Plus y sub 2 is negative 1 minus y sub 1 is 5. Quantity squared. When I do my simplification, alright, negative 3 minus a negative 2, that becomes a plus. So this leaves me with negative 1 quantity squared. Plus negative 6 quantity squared. Square root of 1 plus 36. So my exact answer is that the distance between these 2 points is the square root of 37 units. Now, please be careful, since the directions here just said find the distance between these 2 points. They wanted an exact answer. Don't go just pulling out your calculator and start mashing the buttons for the square root of 37. The directions would have said approximate the answer. When you start putting the square root of 37 into your calculator, you're no longer getting an exact answer, you're getting an approximate answer, so be very careful to pay attention to the instructions.